Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Gadget Corner. I want talk about specifications of OnePlus 5T. Before that, come on subscribes, so this channel can provide useful information. OnePlus 5T smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 6.01-inch AMOLED display, touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels at a PPI of 401 pixels per inch. Display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The OnePlus 5T is powered by 2.45 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus 5T packs a 20-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The OnePlus 5T runs Android 7.1.1, Nougat, and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 156.10 x 75.00 x 7.30, height x width x thickness, and weigh 162.00 grams. The OnePlus 5T is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. Available colors midnight black/sandstone white. The 6-inch OnePlus 5T costs around $500. Done. Okay, don't forget watching next video. Thanks for watching.